Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazines reporting from INDUSFOOD Manufacturing India 2026, and today I have Prateek with me from JBT Marel. Hi sir.
Hi.
How are you?
All good. How are you?
So I'm good, thank you. Can you please brief us about your company and how you started?
So basically JBT is John Bean Technologies,
Okay.
and we are based out of US. Recently JBT has acquired Marel, so that is how
Okay.
JBT Marel is into picture now.
Okay.
And we are end-to-end solution providers for any kind of food which goes into meat, poultry, seafood, ready to eat, ready to cook.
Okay.
And we have our operations all across the world. It's a $4 billion company, and it is listed in US.
Okay.
And in India operations, we work from Pune. We have our own office there under the name of JBT Marel India Private Limited.
Okay, that's great. So what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
So right now we are, like I said, after the merger of JBT and Marel, we have integrated ecosystems
Right.
from primary processing to secondary processing.
Right.
And we provide equipments for anything that is in liquid foods or in solid foods. Recently, we have also started manufacturing in India, the freezer category, and that is how we can cater to any clients which are required for all your ready to eat, ready to cook, as well as seafood, fruits and vegetables, and cheese, dairy, dicing and cutting and everything.
Right. So how energy efficient are the products of your company?
100%. Being a US company, we are strongly focusing on the energy sustainability. We have unique solutions when it comes down to recyclability and sustainability. And one of the key things is our tray sealing machines, which can work on paper trays also. So the same plastics that people are using right now,
Right.
instead of that, we also have paper trays. So the same machine can handle paper tray, which are more economical and which are more
Right.
ecosystem, eco-friendly. At the same time, we also urge and we have some unique solutions of Industry 4.0, which help you trace and track the complete solutions and gives you the machine updates regularly, which help you reduce your utilities. So that's how
Okay.
the energy efficiency increases and the productivity increases.
That's great. So you're dealing in international markets as well?
Yes, we
Okay.
are, like I said, we are based out of US. We are working all across the international
Okay.
operations, and we are headquartered in US. We have manufacturing facilities in US, in Europe, in Brazil, and all across the world.
Okay, that's great. So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
So in India operations, if I have to specifically speak about South Asia, we have a good, solid, strong base right now. And now with Make in India initiative from our Honorable Prime Minister, we started manufacturing in Pune. And that is how we are already there with all our A category customers. We now want to reach into the grassroots levels. So in next 5 years, we definitely see there will be a big growth. And with the kind of focus that has been on the food segment and the value addition that is happening in the market today, we definitely see ourselves scaling to, like, the sky is the limit for us.
Right. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.